Do not be fooled, XRP Ripple investors. With that said, hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. This is DC Trading. Today, we have crypto news to go over, and then we'll get into the technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP price. Let's start off with some breaking news. Valkyrie has the green light to start buying ETF futures for its existing Bitcoin ETF. If we scroll down here, it says today the Valkyrie Bitcoin Strategy ETF began adding exposure to Ether future contracts, making it the first US ETF to provide exposure to Ether and Bitcoin futures contracts under one wrapper. Yes, obviously this is bullish, but remember guys, we still don't have a spot Bitcoin ETF approval in the US. Once this happens, this will send Bitcoin all the way up to 50,000. So just be patient. Also, we still are waiting for crypto regulation in America and the world as well. Moving on to some technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP price. There's a reason why I'm telling you guys, do not be fooled. Let's look at the chart. The current price of XRPs is sitting around 50 cents. Yes, MACD indicator on the weekly is telling us to sell. As for the daily, though, it is telling us to buy. But remember, volume here is very low, so this is something to look out for. If we take a look at the Bitcoin price, and this is why I'm telling you specifically, please do not be fooled. Yes, Bitcoin is sitting above 27,000. To be specific, it is currently at $27,071. We have 43 minutes until the daily candle closes, and I did tell you that if the daily candle closed, we would be bullish if above 27. But I also did tell you we needed the daily and weekly candle to close above 27,000. So we still have 3 days until the weekly candle closes. So we need to slow down. Do not FOMO into this. Right now, the MACD indicator on the daily for Bitcoin is telling us to buy now. As for the weekly, it is still telling us to sell. We still have about 40 minutes, so anything could happen. I wouldn't be surprised if BTC closes the daily just below 27,000. Based off what, Bitcoin decides to do, if we are above 27 by the end of the week, or if we're below, 25,000 by the end of this week, well, then we will for sure know where XRP is heading. Remember, guys, this week, we do have the meeting, the party, the big party, the big announcement that we're waiting for. On top of that, there is a threat of a government shutdown. This can obviously somewhat shake up the market. So please be careful, guys. This is just a warning for all crypto investors. But let's just say Bitcoin, we do get a bullish scenario where we do close the weekly above 27,000. Well, don't be surprised if XRP makes its way back up to 55 cents. Now, let's just say Bitcoin decides to break below 25,000. Well, that means there's a chance we will break this ascending line to the downside. And this means a possible 30-cent XRP. As a long-term investor, this would be amazing because that means I'll be stacking some more XRP and some more altcoins, because if Bitcoin's below 25,000, we can for sure expect all these altcoins to drop as well. Moving on, if we take a look over here at the Fibonacci's, yes, we are currently above the 0.618 golden Fibonacci. We are testing the 0.786 Fibonacci. Now, if we take a look at the HTF liquidity for Bitcoin, yes, they have entered the markets for the Bitcoin price. This is why I tell you guys, please do not trade cryptocurrencies. People are FOMOing into it because they're seeing the price of Bitcoin above 27,000. As for XRP, it's the same thing, guys. It looks like it's a 50-50. People have started buying some XRP, entering positions around 50 cents. As you guys can see, it is split right now. It looks like the bulls and the bears are not in control. So it's a matter of time when we do break out to the upside or downside. Just be prepared, guys. Now, I need you guys to understand, in 1 to 2 years from now, we're going to be in a completely different situation. So just be patient. This is why I tell you guys, dollar cost average, become long-term investors, because there may be a great shakeout. We do have a threat of more interest rate hikes. We also have a threat of inflation continuing to rise. On top of that, we do have a threat of a recession. Why? Because the average American is struggling. The economy is struggling, even though they're telling us, yo, the economy is stronger than ever. Last but not least, next month, student loan repayment resumes. This is going to be interesting because there is $1.8 trillion in student loan debt. And it's going to, resume. Repayments will resume next month. America, just prepare for this long winter. That's all I'm saying. Now, my price prediction based off, what we know is XRP may be breaking this ascending line. So if this does happen next week, we can expect 30 cents. But if we do get a bullish scenario or week, we should expect a 55 to 60 cent XRP. This is DC Trading. If you made it this far, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction, and comment the number 121. Peace.